Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to rename directories in GitHub. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these some steps. So basically, all you will be needing to do is to simply go to your repository, and from there you will be able to start changing name of directories. So now let's go to any repository that we have. So you can do it either from by clicking on the GitHub icon or this menu icon, and then you can access your repositories, or you can simply go to your profile icon or picture and then go to repositories and access to any repository that you would like. So basically in my case, I'm just going to this repository, and from here we will be needing to start editing files. So basically here I have a Docker file and I want to edit it. So basically I'm just going to click on edit file, and from here you will see that we will be able to edit the file, but we are not interested in this feature exactly. What we are interested in is changing the name of a file. So as you can see here, we are able to add inputs in this file, and to change directories you will be needing just to add slash. So for example here I'm just going to add like client, and here I'm just going to add a new dir, and basically and add a slash, and this will create directories, and you can change the name of directories in this way. So as you can see, the Docker file was at the beginning here, but now it has been added to this directory here, and basically it has created new directories for my file, and here you can start like just naming your directory however you would like. And basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.